Hello everyone. This video presentation will give you an introduction to Paperwork Pro's rule-based document creation platform called Forms2Docs. We're going to start by talking about common challenges we see within our customer base, the value proposition Forms2Docs offers, why Forms2Docs is the right platform for the right company, about Paperwork Pros, and then when you're ready, you can certainly request a demonstration and we can determine what's next. So let's begin with common challenges. There are three that we see most often. The first is manual processes, where ultimately a company or a business needs to collect data, confirm that that data is accurate and that they have all the information, as well as then generate a document. Most oftentimes, they're doing this manually because they're actually going to find the most recent document that's closest to the one they want to create for the current situation, which is time-consuming, it lacks consistency, and quality and professionalism. The next is being resource-dependent, really depending upon subject matter experts and having them be a bottleneck in the process. They know which questions to ask, they know their customer base perhaps, and again, they are most familiar with, in their heads as tribal knowledge, the rules that are involved in the questions being asked as well as the document being created. As such, there's no rule-based app guiding users. And because they're going through these day-to-day operations, they're unable to focus on process improvement. All of these things relate to slower response to customers and limits a business's ability to grow. Finally, mistakes. That could be from inaccurate data, incomplete information, all of which results in costly delays or rework and really gives the company a black eye, ultimately. You're giving poor customer satisfaction as well as lowering your profitability. So where does Forms2Docs come in terms of a value proposition? Succinctly, we help our customers serve their customers better. We do it in two ways, from an internal employee perspective and a customer perspective. Let's start with your employees. We ensure and give them confidence that the documents being created, the information being gathered is accurate, consistent, and at a high quality. We improve their efficiency and productivity and enable them to focus on more value-added activities. The result is increased profitability and enabling you to beat your competition by while keeping, your morale high. In terms of your customer's perspective, what their experience is, you're enabling them to self-serve, and you're really building their confidence in you because they have the platform, they have the ability to self-serve, and they can actually start the process sooner. That relates to you being easier to work with and improving or increasing their satisfaction. So the result here is really improving loyalty and retaining as well as winning more business. So let's look at a couple testimonials from our customers. The first is about the platform itself. The second is about our people at Paperwork Pros. So Dan Duncan from CDH Corporation talks about how his business needed a way to improve their clients' ability to enter their tax information and automatically generate a multi-page tax organizer versus the multi-tab spreadsheet that was very cumbersome in the past that they used. Forms2Docs has done this and more. And then Craig Wasson, the owner of Lakeland Waterworks and Construction, talks about the people. Paperwork Pros is a great company, easy to work with. We go out of our way to make sure everything is right. So what's next? The platform itself. And why is Forms2Docs the right platform for the right company? It's purpose-built. Our focus is to ensure our customer success, and we virtually eliminate your risk. So let's start with purpose-built. Rule-based document creation platform. We're designed specifically for small and mid-sized businesses. We really enable users to be guided through the process, where they're doing something simple as completing a form and then building a Word and/or PDF document, or they're doing more day-to-day processes, whether they're sharing or storing, editing, copying documents. Maybe the document has a workflow that it goes through, or a life cycle, and that's going to be based upon permissions. Maybe they need to search for existing documents to either edit or then ultimately come back and copy something for future documents. All that capability is within the straightforward, easy-to-use user experience. It's a responsive design, therefore it's mobile ready. We also enable multilingual capabilities. In other words, actually presenting the UI within a localized, different language than English, but generating the documents in English. And of course, secure. We're hosted on AWS, and it also allows for two-factor authentication should you choose that. All of this relates to us recommending using Forms2Docs and not brute force. So how do we ensure your success? As I mentioned with respect to the testimonials, it really comes down to two things: the platform plus the people. And that is the solution of Forms2Docs. Where the people come in this case is really our deep experience in rule-based and no-code software. That enables us to not just say, hey, here's your license and good luck, but rather be your trusted advisor and actually walk you through the process, challenge you on some of your decisions, and ultimately deliver results in a faster time, giving you a faster time to value. We do take a unique approach. We do the setup for our customers. You go run your business, work with your day-to-day operations. We set up your first template, and that's included within your subscription. Now, don't misunderstand. We need the mutual commitment of our customers. We need to prioritize the project. We need their timely response to questions. But ultimately, we have your back. So how do we eliminate your risk? This, to me, makes so much sense and really demonstrates the confidence we have that we're able to help our customers. First is our 90-day brand guarantee. That says basically, if you have any issues or you're not satisfied with Forms2Docs, we will refund your last 90 days of your subscription. Our experienced people, I just talked about. Our brand promises, I'll get to in a minute here. And I mentioned including free services to set up your first template within your subscription. So let's talk a little bit about Paperwork Pros, and that is the company that actually created the Forms2Docs platform. Quick bio here: Ron Mao is the CEO and founder of Paperwork Pros. He founded the company back in 2018. It's headquartered in Oak Brook, Illinois. And again, he has that experience in both rule-based and no-code software solutions expertise. And his laser focus, as well as the entire company, is on customer success. So two other aspects that are very important, not just to the technology platform, but again, to the partner with whom you'll be working and can rely on. It's our bold beliefs and our brand promises. In terms of our bold beliefs, we serve customers best when we act consistent with the Bible. We believe that brute force and manual processes suck the fun out of any business. And third, we believe that every business has a pain that can be alleviated by the right software and partner. And then finally, our brand promises: to treat you, our customers, as well as our partners, consistent with the teachings of the Bible, to ensure we have quality people providing quality solutions, and to ultimately provide quantitative benefits to your business. So, thank you for watching today, and if you have any questions or would like to schedule a demonstration, please let us know.